So what's up, guys? In today's video we're going to be repairing this old deck. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's like completely like rotten and stuff. So we're going to repair that, and then we're going to, I got to take off the fish finder. The trolling motor's not mounted to the deck, but yeah, I got to take the seat off. Yeah, so I got to go get a piece of plywood to do all that good stuff with, so I'm gonna go get that. Okay, alright guys, just got a piece of plywood and I got my brother helping me now. Well, now we gotta figure out how to get the fish finder off. Yeah, you know, it's just 2 screws right there. And then, this is like a 5-minute hike anyway. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna catch you here. You're done, son. Yeah, man. Okay, basically that process like 6 more times. Alright, now getting the chair off. Oh.
That was a little too small. That one just one size small. There you go. Here, I'll throw it in there. No.
Oh, apparently they're all different sizes.
Yeah. It's really tight.
The battery's dead.
Yeah, it's just tight. Probably really tight.
Yeah, battery's dead.
Alright.
Alright guys, my brother's going to get the drill bit and another drill because my battery died on this one. But you guys can't see we're going the seat. My so comfy seat. Yeah, man. They're all, for some reason the guy put different size bolts. It's kind of irritating, but yeah. And then my brother's going to get that. But I just put this new fish tape on it. How you like it, for a 97,000-year-old boat? Not bad. And yeah, tell me guys how you like these boat videos, because I'm gonna be making a lot more of them in the summer with this thing. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Ow. Yeah, that kind of hurt. Okay. Oh, okay. Got a new drill because this is bad. Oh, yeah, tight. Here we go. Wow, that's a big sucker right there.
Oh wow, that was easy.
We have these are foldy. We're gonna take the hinges off. I just looked at the 2x4s. It doesn't look like it, but I'm just gonna replace the plywood because over there it's kind of rotten. But the 2x4s aren't bad in shape at all, so I'm just gonna take these hinges off real quick. Oh boy, I'll sure this little.
Oh, now, but
Alright, people, we're gonna catch you guys in a minute. My brother's gonna do that one, but it's just the same exact process, so we'll see. How's it feel to be a boatman?
manly.
What? Alright, people, we gotta start cutting plywood, so I'll catch you guys in a minute whenever we start doing that. We're just gonna replace the plywood. So we actually just left up this guy. We thought it was completely rotted out, but it's actually in nice condition. But we're just gonna redo that. That's the foldy piece. It's not in the best shape at all. So we're gonna take this part off. That's where the seat is. We're gonna take that part off. This part's actually good, so we're just gonna leave that. We're gonna redo that. So yeah.
Easy. There you go.
Whoa. Alright.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. Alright guys, so just cut that piece. Just cut a new piece. We're gonna drill that in. And yeah, alright boys. We're gonna have them re-drill that. Yeah man, that's what I'm saying. That's good. Alright guys, so it's basically that same process 6,000 times. I'm gonna cut more where this is gonna go, where the foldy piece was at. I'm gonna cut more of them boards, so I'll catch you guys in a minute.
There you go.
Alright guys, so underneath here, actually, in the last boat video I made, I took the crank off and replaced it with that blue one. But under here is a lot of crap underneath here, so we're gonna clean that out. Me and my brother, he's doing all sorts of stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna figure out how to clean this out. Okay. Alright. And guys, this is the first time I've ever seen the bottom of this boat. So yeah, that tells you anything. Alright, that's as good as I'm gonna get it. I just cut my hand, so it kind of hurts. And yeah, okay. Okay, we made it. Oh, barely. Okay, now I'm gonna move this. Oh yeah, I see. Now we gotta put all this crap back down. I need to go get glue, but we'll be alright. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go over this. Oh, I should go over here. Alright, now we gotta. I'm gonna put this crank right there. Okay. Alright, boys. Okay, where's my seat? Alright, Mac. Seat time. Seat time. Alright. Oh. Hold on. I gotta go. Alright, guys. Now we can get started. I lost this piece, but I just found it. Going better than I thought it would. Holy smokes. Okay. Whew. Okay. Alright, we're gonna die. Ooh! That there's good stuff. Yeah, man, that's some sand. Okay, now I gotta. Oh. Now I gotta get this thing. Put this. This is for my trolling motor. Pull my thing out of here. That there. And there we go. Actually, I gotta hold on, people. Alright, there we go. Now we got a foot pedal for a trolling motor. I'll fix it in a minute, but now I gotta put back on the fish finder. Put that right there. I gotta jump down. Oop. Okay. Alright, here we go. Ow. See this, guys? It doesn't feel too good. I'll fix that right there in a minute. I'm just trying. Should I move closer? People even see. And boom. Hold on. Wait, not boom yet. Boom, boom, pow. Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay. Ooh, that's good. Okay. Best fish finder ever walked face the earth, okay? Alright guys, so please let me know guys how you like these videos. Because if you guys made it this far, really appreciate it. But just thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more from Acorn Stokes, just let me know and just subscribe and like, okay.